Hello, I'm Donny from Mad About Scotland, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Decathlon's Forclaz MT900 two-person backpacking tent. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so a really quick story first. Maxine and I, we were looking for a backpacking tent and we were in a camping shop. I won't say the name. Got talking to the guy who was really helpful, and we were looking at all the different tents, and we were probably veering towards the MSR Hubba Hubba, albeit a little bit pricey. So he actually recommended a Decathlon tent to us, which he kind of pretty much said it was a good alternative. I don't want to say a rip-off, a good alternative. So we went and looked at it. It looks alright, and I'll do the I'll do the comparison on paper anyway for now. So let's do that. So this little comparison is just really the things that matter most to us. The packed weight on the Hubba Hubba is 1.35 kilogram, where the Decathlon Forclaz is 1.95 kilograms, so that's one tick to the Hubba Hubba. Packed size is 46 by 15 centimetre on the Hubba Hubba, and the Decathlon Forclaz is 39 by 12, so Decathlon is smaller, so that's a tick to the Decathlon. Floor dimension is 213 by 127 centimetres on the Hubba Hubba, and the Decathlon is 205 by 105, so Decathlon is slightly smaller. That's another tick to Hubba Hubba. The interior peak height, which is 100 centimetres on both, so that's a little tick to each. Rainfly fabric is 20D ripstop nylon on the Hubba Hubba, and the Decathlon Forclaz MT900 is 20D polyester. I'm going to assume that nylon is better, so I'm going to give the tick to the Hubba Hubba. Floor fabric is 30D knit ripstop nylon on the Hubba Hubba, and the Decathlon is 40D polyamide, I think. I'm going to give that a draw because I don't really know, so I'll give a tick to each in that one. Warranty, we get 3 year on the Hubba Hubba NX2, and we get 5 year on Decathlon, so that's a little tick to Decathlon. And finally cost, so I have saw the MSR for 500, but generally it's between 500 and 600. The Decathlon Forclaz MT900, we bought it at £220, so that for me is a tick that's going to Decathlon, and I make that to be 5 ticks each, so a draw. I thought it fared up no bad on paper anyway, so let's just go put it together. The tent comes in this nice little package. Got the pegs, and we've got the poles. That will be the outer, and this is the inner. It's a wee bit windy, so I'm going to sit like that there, just out. Okay, so that's the inner up. This tent has got 2 side entrances. I've got a couple of little clips that I've missed there. Yeah, I'll get the Flysheet on. That's the tent setup. I actually think it's a no bad looking tent. It probably took me about 10 minutes really to set it up. There was a couple of wee hiccups because I'm a guy and I don't read instructions. Everything's colour coded. It started to rain and I was panicking. I was thinking it was going to come down heavy. We've got a habit of getting caught in the rain. It seems quite good. I'm actually quite impressed with it. The whole reason I'm doing this review is before I bought this, I couldn't really find many reviews on it on like YouTube. A lot of them were in languages that I couldn't really understand because it's maybe popular in Europe or whatever. So I just thought I would do my wee review on it. I don't really know what else to say about it for the outside anyway. It's a tent. It's a light tent. It's light. It's about 2 kilogram or something like that. But aye. So I think we need to go look inside it. So let's go do that. So aye, first impressions of the tent, what would I say? Inside. Got to be honest, it's probably a bit snug for two. If this is for one person, plenty of room, I can sit up. I can sit up properly, aye, with no hassle. Lengthwise, let's see. So I'm 5'10", my feet are at the bottom, and I've got that much. Oh, what's that? That's actually quite a bit. So aye, there's plenty of room, kind of lengthwise. Get your hook up there for your light. Pockets up here. Wee pockets at the back. It's probably got everything that you expect a tent to have, really. But this is one of my favourite bits, and this is one of the things that I was drawn to about this tent, is... I'm going to bring this down there. This the little vestibule area, which got this on both sides, but I absolutely love this. That area there that's just going to keep your stuff nice and dry. I mean, there's my bag in it. I mean, it's going to take a lot for the rain to get in there. You know, it comes down, you can tighten it all up and everything, and it clips in here just to make it a wee bit better. So as long as you've got this tent facing the right way and everything, that's going to keep that nice and dry. Actually, kind of wish I was staying in this tonight. It feels nice, and aye, I'm actually quite warm in it. Time will tell how this tent goes. There's just some brilliant things about it. 5-year warranty. Decathlon are keeping parts for 10 years. I believe the parts for it are quite cheap as well, so you can buy individual parts if something breaks. But I love them areas there, and as I say, it's on both sides. So aye, that's brilliant. The one review that I did see, the guy said he didn't like the pegs. I actually thought the pegs were fine. I thought they were quite good, but then maybe I've just not got much experience in tent pegs. I've got the drone, it's not raining, it's a wee bit windy, it's not too windy, so let's get the drone up. Actually really easy putting it back in there, so yeah, another plus. Right, okay, I'm away home.